Welcome back once again. In this video I'm going to show you how to claim Mira airdrop. We know that this airdrop has been circulating everywhere recently, although I noticed it late. But one thing surprising about this airdrop is that it rewards the users enormously in this evening. As you can see, a lot of testimony have been going on Twitter right now that this particular airdrop known as Network have turned people millionaire overnight. As you can see, our claiming is currently ongoing right now, and a lot of allocation will be given to people, but it is for early birds. Okay, according to this person, it says that Mira's mainnet launch kicks off a new era of verified intelligence. Here is what you do right now. Okay, you register, you claim your tokens based on the wallet you connected. So this person posted that been supporting Mira since testnet. Today it all paid off. Early birds are eating good. Don't miss it. So also, if you scroll down a little bit, a lot of testimony on this airdrop. Okay, let us scroll down a little bit. I want to show you another one again. As you can see, this particular person says, honestly, I didn't post much about Mira, maybe 3 to 5 tweets max. Amazing projects are truly generous. Thank you to Mira airdrop. I made $4,600. Okay, so we scroll down a little bit again. A lot of people are posting about this airdrop. Okay, this should serve as motivation, and it should tell us that we should not always give up easily. We know that airdrop are not paying off now, but as they said, a patient dog eats the fastest bone. Okay, now let me show you the step-by-step process to claim this airdrop. You can give it a trial. You can connect your wallet and see. So guys, the first thing you're going to do is to connect your wallet. To connect your wallet is simple. You're going to come over to this place. The first thing you're going to do is to click on the link I'm going to drop at the description of this video. Okay, so guys, as you can see, this is the claiming page, and it says that claim your Mira allocation. It ends on October 26th, which is 1 month from now. So what you're going to do now is this. You're going to come over to this place which says connect EVM wallet. So we're going to click on that. After clicking on connect EVM wallet, you are going to select the wallet you will be using to follow them for all this while. You can use your MetaMask, you can use your Trust Wallet, you can use your Coinbase. Okay, so I'm going to come over to this place which is Trust Wallet. I'm going to use Trust Wallet now. So as you can see guys, I've just connected my wallet, and it is taking me back to the Mira network. So you just have to patiently wait and see what is going to happen next. Okay, but before we move on, the wallet you should connect should be the wallet that you will be using to mining Mira for all this while. And at the end of everything, after you have succeeded in connecting your wallet, you are going to see the amount you want. Okay, for example, the amount you want will display just like this, and you'll now be able to convert to USDT. Okay, so with no doubt, a lot of testimony have been going on seriously. As you can see, this person say that thank you Mira network for this. 7,811 Mira from Yapin. Okay, so guys, we scroll down a little bit. You can see that this airdrop turned people millionaire overnight, as the price as of today is about 1.7 USDT. So for people that got up to, let's assume you get 500 Mira, now multiply 500 by 1.7. that is a lot of money, right? So that is how people made from this airdrop. Never give up. We'll keep on updating you about the airdrops that is legit that you can participate in. Okay, we might miss this one, but the next airdrop might be a good opportunity for us. So that is it, and this is what I have for you at the moment. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.